Stadler, did you get your head stuck in your own toy? Hey? Did you get your head stuck in your own toy? You look so impressed. Say, Daddy. Daddy. Rob!
Yeah?
So I gave him his toy box and look what he did to himself. He got his head stuck in his own toy.
You locked yourself in? Does he get his paws caught in there or what?
Everything, he's stuck.
Stadler, come. Come here. You see? Oh, look.
Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Come here, Stad.
Stadler, come here. Come on. Did you get your head stuck in your fox?
Come here, Stad.
Stadler, come on.
Thank you.
Stadler, come.
If I don't want to. Oh, there you go. Yep.
Shoes is
Get
gonna
it,
rip
you.
it off your head.
Get it, you. Yeah.
No, that's not fighting moves. We gotta send this to Mom and Dad. He's sporting some new jewelry. Get it, you. Get it.
Get it. She's gonna get snapped.
Stadler, are you stuck? Okay, come here. Come here.
There you go.
Yay! Yay!
Here comes it.
Full on choke mode. Get it.
Get you.
You had to see that. That was too funny.
That's pretty good. Here you go, Stadler.
Stad.